everyone, welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? The Dawn will be doing today sweet potato pudding. I already done a video on sweet potato pudding, but that one is with raisin and alcohol. So this sweet potato pudding I'm doing is without alcohol and raisin. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so when the Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. Leave a comment and like the video. Share the video with a friend of a friend, friend of a friend, friend of a friend. And to all my YouTuber, subscriber, follower, supporter, a very big, warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. 1 cup of sugar. 1 to 2 cups of sugar. I mean, if you love your things very sweet, you can use 2 cups. ½ teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1 tablespoon vanilla. 1 tablespoon almond flavor. 3/4 cup of flour. 1 tin of coconut milk, Grace coconut milk. It can be any type of coconut milk. So I'm using the whole tin of this. Along with 1 pack of the coconut milk powder. Sweet potato. ½ teaspoon of nutmeg. This is a nutmeg before it break, and this is it when it in the shell. And the maize. The maize is very good for baking, guys. It's good to boil tea. It's good to put in your porridge. So, ½ teaspoon of nutmeg. 2 or 1 cocoa. This little thing here is cocoa. So you can use either 2 or 1. ½ pound of yellow yam. Coconut. Remember, you're looking at the coconut right here. But this is a powder. And this is the natural coconut. So I like to grate the coconut and have the coconut, that flavor the coconut give to your sweet potato pudding. And 6 to 8 tablespoons of melted butter. So this is our butter. I'm going to use 6 to 8 tablespoons. This I'm using a 9-inch 9x9 baking pan. The sweet potato, you have to peel the sweet potato. Alright, this is a sweet potato when you finish peeling it. And I'm gonna do the other too. So now you finish peeling sweet potato, you just wanna rest them in some water. You know what happened, beautiful people? I want to cry. Look at my coconut. It's so good. I wanna cry. The coconut is no good. Look there. No good. I spent so much money and buy this coconut. I know I have to show it away. OMG, I wanna cry. I hope this yam is good. I hope the yam is not spoiled. Let me cut the yam and see. OMG. No. I wanna cry. Let me see how far it go. Okay, give God thanks I have some. Okay. Not too bad. I'm telling you guys, you spend your money to buy this stuff and then no good. So now we're peeling our yellow yam. I'm happy most of it is good. I'm sending to get a coconut. That one is no good. So now we peel our yam. The same thing, you're just gonna peel the cocoa. I don't need 2 cocoa, I'm just using 1. You're gonna grate the yellow yam. And our yam is looking like this. And the same procedure with the sweet potato, the cocoa. This is a cocoa. Same thing. Everything you're just gonna grate just like this. Your sweet potato, same thing. And beautiful people, I say to you, this sweet potato pudding is going all the way to England. Family member visiting. I haven't seen my brother like 18 years, and now he's visiting. And you remember the good old days, sweet potato pudding and the cornmeal pudding from D Don. So he asked me to make a cornmeal pudding and a sweet potato pudding. I already made the cornmeal pudding, and this is the sweet potato pudding I'm making. I just want to rub everything out. See my hands clean? So beautiful people, I sent to buy at next coconut. So this one is good. And we make sure we break it at the store just to ensure it's good. So this is the coconut, and our grater. We will be grated too. If you have any little piece of lump, do not put it in it when you grate it. With my great coconut, what I want to do, guys, I just want to extract some of the milk from it to make the custard on top of our pudding. So let me see if I can get some milk out without you put water on it. So don't add water to the coconut, because if you add water to the coconut and squeeze it, then it's gonna be pure trash you're using. So don't put water to it. Okay, so set this aside. Now you're just gonna combine your sweet potato, your yellow yam, and the coconut. We're gonna mix it out. You want everything to be incorporated. 1 cup of sugar, and I'm just gonna mix the sugar with the coconut milk. You want to mix out the sugar. Remember, if you're a person that want to make the pudding with sweet tooth, you can always use 2 cups of sugar. But the coconut milk, the sweet potato, it already sweet. It have a lot of sugar in it. So that's the reason why I just don't want to use too much sugar. Now we're just gonna pour the sugar that we have mixed with the coconut milk. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna mix it up. So now you're gonna add the almond and the vanilla. And you're gonna come in with the butter. So I'm gonna grate the nutmeg. I'm gonna be sieving the flour, the cinnamon powder, a little salt. I'm just gonna mix everything. You're gonna add it. So with a pack of coconut milk, we're gonna mix this. Just 2 cups of water. You see that, guys? So we have, and you're just gonna add it to your mixture. You're not putting everything one time. You're just gonna do it gradually. Like 1 cup first, and then we mix. So beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, share the video, hit the notification bell, so when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And leave a comment, a sweet comment. So we mix in, guys, and use the other tip of coconut milk, just enough. Alright, here I'm using a 9-inch baking tin. So when you finish mix, this is a consistency that you want to be having. You see, guys, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. And you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're not gonna fill it all the way up. You need a little space in it, so when it rises, it have room. You're just gonna smooth it out. And now we're just gonna place it in the oven for 2 hours. So with the coconut milk, this is about 1/4 cup of the coconut milk that I extract. Remember, guys, you're just gonna add like 1 tablespoon of sugar to it, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm just gonna mix this up. So this is about 1/2 cup. So stick around, guys, don't go anywhere, and I will show you what I will be doing with this within the next 1 hour and 45 minutes. So now, beautiful people, our potato, sweet potato pudding is baked. So this is what I will be doing now with the coconut milk that I extract out earlier, and the cinnamon that I mix up, the cinnamon powder and the butter. So you're just gonna put it on top, and you're gonna pop back this bad girl in the oven just for 15 minutes. Beautiful people, the sweet potato pudding is now cool and ready for eating. So now I'll be cutting on a slice of this sweet potato pudding for you to see how it's looking on the inside. Our sweet potato pudding, and this is all it looking on the inside. So beautiful people, I thank you for watching the Dawn Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and please take care of yourself, and above all, always remember to take care of each other. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I see you on the next one. Peace. D Dawn signing out.